All right, so before I show you what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, I want to show you what affiliate marketing is first. I went to YouTube and I typed in the best camera to buy. And if you're a consumer, whenever you're looking for something to buy, you might go to Amazon or you might go to Google or a place like YouTube and get some information before you actually make the purchase. Now, I'm just using the camera as an example, but whenever you're shopping, you might be looking for a purse or shoes or a watch or whatever that is. But for educational purposes, I'm going to use this camera. And as you can see, all these results popped up on YouTube. The best $500 pro camera, the best first camera to buy, the best budget camera you can buy, the 7 best DSLR cameras you can buy, the best beginner camera, and so on and so forth. So the way that affiliate marketing actually works is you basically buy a product that someone else recommends. And in this case, all these recommendations from all these creators on YouTube are recommending a camera. For example, right here, if I was to click on the top 3 best vlogging cameras in 2023, this creator is recommending the top 3 best vlogging cameras. But the cool thing is, if you go down to his YouTube description, you'll see that he has affiliate links for Amazon that are recommending his best or top 3 vlogging cameras for the year 2023. But here's where it gets cool. With his affiliate links in his description, if I was to click one, it's going to take me to his affiliate page that's recommending that camera. And if I was to purchase this camera, this YouTuber or this content creator would get a commission. But here's the most cool thing about affiliate marketer. This particular content creator, he didn't create the product. He doesn't have to ship the product. He doesn't have to deal with customer support from any complaints or refunds from the customers. All he has to do is just refer people to this link. And when they make a purchase, he gets paid, and that's it. The company that handles the product, and in this case, Amazon, takes it from there. And all he has to do is just sit back and collect his commission checks. And as you can see, this particular video has over 52,000 views. Imagine all the people that have watched this video that came here looking for the information of the best vlogging camera to use and have went down in his YouTube description and clicked on his links and actually made a purchase. And as you can see, this particular camera is $700, so he gets a nice chunky commission from each purchase from every customer that makes a purchase using his affiliate link. Now, this example is only talking about Amazon, but I want you to know that it could be for any affiliate marketing program out there. It could be for Walmart. It can also be from Best Buy. It can even be for Target. It doesn't matter because almost 95% of all businesses have an affiliate program. That reason being because having an affiliate program is at no risk to the business. They only pay affiliates when they make a purchase. This is ideal for the business as well as the affiliate marketer because we don't have to create the product, ship the product, or even deal with customers like customer support. All we have to do is send traffic to our affiliate link and we get paid with our referrals, make a purchase, and we get the commissions.